Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowledge Base, and I'll be here giving you knowledge. And in this case, I'm looking at the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Maybe the iPhone 13 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max, 11 Pro Max, 12 Pro Max, and XS Max as well. Now, most phones hang or get stuck. I know you must have experienced it, or you're going to experience it soon or later, but how do we navigate through all these challenges that we encounter? In this case, I want to show you something. Most phones get stuck in this mode. Okay? You've experienced that you cannot slide power off, you cannot use the emergency, and you cannot even cancel. Okay? Now, when the phone gets stuck, either it's because of the memory, you don't have enough memory, or you have a lot of data, or you have opened a lot of apps that you need to cancel. But in this case, when it gets stuck, still we have to resolve it. Now, we are starting the process of resolving this matter. First of all, we look at this. We have two buttons. We have the upper volume, and when we have the lower volume. So first of all, these buttons, each of them play a specific role. Myself, I will start by pressing the upper volume, leave it, and I again press the lower volume. After doing this, I come to the power off. Okay? You click the power off until when you get your phone tagged out. Okay? Once again, you press the upper volume. You press
the current volume is 69%.
For volume, okay, the lower volume. Third, we go to the power button. So when you hold the power button, you make sure you hold the power button until when your phone brings the Apple logo, and the phone will definitely turn on within few seconds. This, you don't hold it for long. You just tap once. After, tap the lower. After, we go to the the power button. But on this power button, you hold it for a longer time until when you see the logo of the Apple showing on your screen. And definitely, your phone will restart with much more ease without any challenges at all. So thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions, please write it down in the comments. I'll be able to give you a solution. I'll be able to answer to you, but I hope this will solve your problem that has been with you or is likely to happen on your iPhone. Thank you so much. Knowledge Base is your channel. Thank you.